Basically, I was looking for a furniture or like a conceptualized furniture which will help me both utilize the space as well as to use the beds and the storage space. So initially I had a box type bed with the storage below the bed. So it used to occupy almost 6 to 8 feet of my living room and my bedrooms. But now when I saw this option on internet and I chose it because the beds could be folded completely within the wall and a lot of free space is available for me for my work and for my kids to play. Now actually what has happened, initially there was very few space to move around in the room itself. Now with a lot of space for moving around, we play cricket over here, we play musical instruments over here. So a lot of things, other activities can be performed. The final installation, when it was completed, the look and the precision of the work was very nice. The work done by the technicians and the carpenters was very good. They installed it very well, they cleaned the entire room properly, and when we started utilizing the bed, it was really very nice, and the weight bearing capacity is also very good. It's nice, sturdy, and there is a lot of storage space for me which is available for.
The beds which were before, they occupied a lot of space. So now with these beds they can fold, and they also have a chalkboard and a whiteboard installed. So I can practice my sums, and there is also a study table on which I can do my homework, and there is much storage.
Definitely, I would like to recommend this bed to my friends, to my colleagues, to members who are looking for a conceptualized furniture. Because like in metropolitan cities, when the houses are like small, and in this concept you have to manage everything within the available space to you, right? So in that available space, if you get the concept like this, which is folding bed, or you have a storage or overhead loft over there, that will be very helpful for you.
Invisible Bed is a great space enabler.